Ultimate AI Course for Success. What will you learn in this workshop? What is ChatGPT? How to use this? What is prompt? How to create prompts in ChatGPT or any LLM? What is artificial intelligence? AI. What are uses and use cases of AI? What is generative artificial intelligence? How to use generative AI? How to create or generate non-existing content using generative AI? Text, content, images, videos, audios, sounds, avatars, etc. What is Agentic AI? What are uses and use cases of Agentic AI? How to create AI videos? AI Join My AI course, Master AI video creation, AI movies, images, cartoons, devotional videos and YouTube success. AI Basics to Advanced level. Build a strong foundation in AI and learn advanced techniques for creative projects. AI Video Creation. Learn to create AI-driven videos for cartoons, movies, devotional content, and more. AI Images. Generate stunning professional quality images with AI tools. AI Cartoon Videos. Learn how to craft inspiring devotional videos using AI technologies. YouTube Success Tips. Master the YouTube algorithm, grow your channel, and reach your target audience. Canva for content creation. Design eye-catching thumbnails, banners, and visuals for your videos. ChatGPT and AI tools. Unlock the full potential of AI tools for creativity and productivity. YouTube video editing. Edit like a professional using advanced tools and techniques. Why you should join interactive live sessions, hands-on projects, comprehensive knowledge. Start your journey into the exciting world of AI and YouTube growth.